Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 4, create customer registration form in Laravel 12. This is a Laravel 12 and this is a HTML only form. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. And this call and WhatsApp 919941599815. This is an Indian number and this is a paid service is available anytime. Contact this number. And first of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PHP my admin, and this my project is available htdoc direct. And this project is already Laravel 20 is already open, and this is a localhost Laravel 20 already run. This manually run good working. Check this previous video, otherwise lost of doubt. And this is a form is open. This form is open. First of all, this is a resource inside this web.php available, and this is a welcome file is available. This welcome is this welcome file is available. This inside this is a 100% is available registration, and this is a tag is available this name. And inside this, first of all, this is a implementation. This is a change this save file and remove this page, and 100% is a 404 not found. Let's first of all inside this is a auth controller is a create, otherwise home controller is a create. Let's home route get, and this is a slash, and this is a home controller class index save file. Successfully file is a save. Let's slash is a remove save file. Let's use app http controllers http controllers, and this is a home controller save file. Successfully save file, good working. Let's home controller app http in this controller inside this is a home php. Successfully working fine, this home php, and inside this is a step-by-step implementation. Home controller is a successfully created. This is a same name. This is the same name is available. Inside this new public function is a create the same name, copy public function and index. This is the same name is a index. This is a index is a implementation. This index return view welcome. This same name is a welcome. This welcome and save file. Successfully file is a save. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is a good working, but this is a good working but successfully set. All good. Please write down this step by step this welcome file. This welcome file is a name sense. This is a main file. This is a main file. This is a rename index. This is a index means home page is a index file. This successfully index file is a working fine. And let's inside this is the same name is a copy and paste here index file, and this working as it is a good working. Let's successfully working file. Let's next URL is a create. This is a new URL. The registration is not working. Let's registration new URL. First of all, this file is open. Inside this registration and tag is available sref, and this is a new URL is a create URL, and this is a registration. All good. This registration is a working fine. Let's save file, and this successfully registration is a implementation. Let's click this, and 100% is a working fine. This is a registration 404 page is available, and this same copy, and inside this is a name route registration. This is a registration is the same name registration. Route get registration, and this is the new controller is a create controller name is a auth controller. This is a auth controller is a class successfully auth controller, and the same name is a registration. This is a good working. This registration is successfully. Let's use app http controller, and this is a auth controller. This is a auth controller, same name is a controller, and this close. This working fine. This working is a good. Let's font small. This is a auth controller. Let's same name copy, and inside this new file create auth blade. No, only PSP, not a blade PSP. This is a auth controller. Same name is a copy, and only simple name is a send. This is a auth, and this is a function name is available registration. This is a registration successfully set. This registration all good, and this registration function is a successfully create, but this is a name is a send. This is a view inside this new folder is a create auth folder. Auth successfully auth folder. So this create auth. Inside this same name is a create registration. This is a registration is a create. Good working. Let's same name copy, and inside this registration blade.php successfully create. All good. Let's he and refresh this page. Successfully working fine. This is a he is a available. Good working. Let's refresh this again page. 100%. This is a working fine. This is a he is a available. Let's inside this implementation. Same is a implementation. This is a body tag is a implementation. This previous video was all implementation. This is the implementation. Good. And this is a close this body tag, and last is a HTML tag is a close this, and Laravel error solution is a available. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a successfully implementation. Good working, and this is available registration form. So let's same name is a copy registration spelling name, and this is a registration. This is a title is a send different title. This registration title error solution, and this is a index file is a Laravel 11. This is a error solution. Different name is a available title. Let's insert this form is a implementation username, email, and password. Let's step by step implementation. This is a successfully all good, and this is a form is a step by step implementation. First of all, this is a div container. Div, okay, div class container. This is a class container successfully save file. Inside this is a div class wrap. Wrap is a successfully save. Next is a div class title and span registration page. This is a div is a close. Next is a form start form. Form is a start, and this is a save file. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. All good. This is a working fine. Let's form is a step by step implementation. This is a working good. Let's next is a div create div class row, and this is a I tag class FA user. This is a I tag. Next is the input email. First is a email. Name is a blank. Placeholder placeholder email, and this is a compulsory is a required, and this is a name is a blank, successfully set. This is a set. Let's refresh this page. Page is a refresh. 100% is available. This is a email, good working, but this email is available. This is a public file. Let's open. This is a Laravel file. Is a select highlight, the successfully highlight public inside this available public CSS, and this is a style. This style is available inside. This is all implementation. This is a step by step. This is a container available. This same name is a container available. This container web present title. This is all available. Container vapor title. This vapor form. This is a form is available. Vapor form is available. Row available. This is a row available. This is the input box is available. This is the input. All good. This is input focus is available. This input row, and this is the I button is available. This is a I. All step by step write down. This is a password is available. Next is a password is available. Let's step by step. Next email after is a implementation password, means password is available. This is an email. Let's next is a email user. The same name is a copy. This is a paste here, and this is a user means txt. This is a user name. The same name is required. This is the same name is required. Let's refresh this page. Successfully username and email is available. Next is implementation password. Password means lock is implementation. Same name copy and paste here, and this is a name is a pass name. This is a FA lock, and this is a password, and this is a password is a set. This is a password successfully set. This is a password is a set, and this is all implementation. This is a password. Please write down. This is all successfully set. Let's refresh this page. 100% is working fine. This password, this is username, this email, and this password all good. Let's next is a implementation confirm password. This same name is a copy and paste here. Confirm password, and this is a confirm password is a set. Confirm password. Div class row select class selection box. This is a select box is available inside. This is a select box. Same name is available. Select box. All good. This select box. Required option value select role, and this is the next is a option is a blank option. Value is a 2 means super admin. Same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a 1 means available only admin. Next is a 0 means user. Successfully this is a implementation. Last is the implementation forget password. This is a less div class pass. This is a implementation style. This is a available pass style. This is a pass, this pass, and this pass is a available. This is a good working this pass. A tag is a start, and this close this forgot password. This forgot password. Let's refresh this page refresh, and 100% is a working fine. This is all good. This is a super admin, and this is a working good. And this select role is a compulsory, is a required, all good. Next is the implementation. Forget password after button is a step-by-step implementation. Next is a div class row button input type submit value is a registration, value is a save name is a registration button name. Successfully this is a button is a implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this button is a available registration button. This forget password and this registration button, good, working. Next is a implementation. This is a signing and registration, and this is a index file inside this already available, this previous video signing and login, and this is a welcome page. The same name is a copy login, and this is a paste here. Second is available, the same name, copy and paste here, and this is a welcome page. Welcome page, and this is the add tag is a implementation welcome page. Again this click this and paste here add tag, save file, and this is a URL is a implementation. This is a welcome page. Let's refresh this page, 100% is available. Let's click this welcome page, and this is not working. Let's implementation add tag inside this sref, and this is a welcome page is available URL, only simple name. This is a first tag is a implementation. This same tag is a implementation inside this. Let's refresh this page, and this is a good working. Let's click this. This is the main page, the welcome page, good working. This is a registration page, successfully set, all good. This is a registration page, and this previous video is a implementation database. Inside this 100% is a implementation, and this is a next video is a implementation, all good. And this is a implementation. This is a click this user table is available. Click this user inside this, refresh this page, 100% inside this implementation ID, name, email, password, and is new column is a implementation is a role. This is a role wise is a new implementation. Please write down this step by step. First file is a write down, this file is a write down, all good. This is a write down, all successfully implementation. And this is a form is a implementation, this form. Any issue to please contact this my number. This all good. This home controller, and this is a this controller, successfully all set. Any doubt to please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime available, and this is my official YouTube channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.